Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to use your webcam capture MP4 to perform the AI motion capture by using the DeepMotions, export as FBX, and finally import into iClone 8 and Character Creator 4 to make it become an iClone motion file, or what we call rlMotions, to make it available for any other 3D avatar in iClone 8 and Character Creator 4. Make it become an iMotion or rlMotion. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. First, you can just go to the deepmotion.com, open your web browser, deepmotion.com. Next, you have to sign in. If you not yet have any of the account, you can just sign up by using your Gmail account. Once signed in, now I have a sample video. You can see this is a sample video. If you have any of the webcam, you can just record the MP4 video by using your webcam and save it as MP4. Always remember, use the MP4 format. Then in deepmotion.com, first click the Animate 3D. Then next click Create. Drag and drop your videos at here. Drag and drop. Then it asks you to rename. You can just put it as simple as possible, 003 for example, rename it. At here you have to wait for a while. Now you can see by using the free version, it only supports 20 seconds. So you can just click trim the length. The maximum is 20 seconds. Alright, let's say if I want to trim this part of the video, it's okay. 20 seconds. Then I click save. Next. Just look at all of these parameters, FBX output, then face tracking, hand tracking. You can choose to trace the hands and fingers, face tracking. So as demo, I'm not going to trace the face, but I will trace the hand. Next, click Create. So for this time, it is going to use 30 credits. And for the free plans, we have 360 credits for every month. Now I'm going to use 30. Then click Start Job. Now the AI is performing the motion capture. Just wait for a while for this. Later you can see the percentage here. Just wait until it finishes. Now once it already go to 100, then it will automatically pop up this. Now it already successfully finished the mocap. At here you can just click OK. Now everything already here. You can see it already performed the mocap for this video. Next, what you are going to do is just click Download. Then choose a model as demo. I'm going to choose adult female. Download as FBX file. Close. Adult female. I click Start Download. Then it already successfully downloaded. Close. Open the folder. It downloaded as a zip file, as a zip folder. You can just right click and extract all. It is going to extract into folder. Now you can see it already successfully exported as FBX file. Now this is an FBX file that you can use it in any other 3D software. Try to play. You can see this is the mocap just now. And next, you can just use this FBX file to import into any other 3D software to retarget it in any other 3D avatar. Alright, now I put the DeepMotion exported file on my desktop. The next step, what we're going to do is just import it into Character Creator 4 and iClone to make it become an iClone motion file that available for any of the CC4 and iClone 8 3D avatar. So first, I may just try the Character Creator 4 CC4. Right. I try to use this, the first file, the FBX file. I drag and drop, import as a character, import as a humanoid, non-standard. Just apply. Then you can look at the CC4, the Character Creator 4, it automatically detected for auto conversion. The CC4 know that this is a DeepMotion 3D avatar. So if I click OK, this one, the T-pose, DeepMotion, click OK. Now we try the auto conversion. Alright, now we finished the first step. It is in CC4, the first step failed. The auto conversion failed, so we don't use the auto conversion method. Just refresh everything, click File, New Project, don't save. We try to convert by ourselves, choose an avatar, the non-standard. And then, the auto conversion, we cancel it, we don't want the auto conversion. We plot it by ourselves, the characterization. Now we plot the fingers. After you finish plot the bone, you have to click active. For this time, I manually convert it to become a non-standard avatar in Character Creator 4. I click the characterization again to finalize it. Then as backup, I will just save it as a CC4 project and CC4 avatar. I just create a new folder here from CC4. This is CC4.22. Click File, save the project as inside this folder. I name this as DeepMotion 01. Save as a CC project. Next, it's the time to import the motions. The motion will be inside here or this one. For the first one, it included the T-pose at the first frame. The second one, it doesn't include the T-pose. Just drag and drop. The motion import setting, we choose the current character. Auto-generate to perform list. Convert all. For this time, it failed to add it to perform list. So we may just try the iClone 8. You can see now it appeared this type of the problem again. This is an error. So for this time, the CC4 conversion failed. We need to have another alternative method. Just use the old version of the 3D Exchange. iClone 3D Exchange 7. But before that, we try another method. Just use the iClone 8. So for this time, I just undo it. I send this avatar to iClone 8. The iClone 8 already open. Click File, Export, Send to iClone, Send to iClone. To make this avatar in iClone 8, we try one more time. Drag in to import the motion. The motion file should be the current character. Click Convert All to see whether the same problem appears. Now you can see the same problem appear. So we don't want this. I undo it. Just try one more time, drag and drop into iClone. From the current character, I change it to become DeepMotion. Click Convert All. Click OK. The same problem appear. So I'm going to give up the import option just by using the Character Creator 3 and this is a Character Creator 4 and iClone 8. I'm going to give up this two for import option, but I will just use another software, the old version of the software that is iClone 3D Exchange 7. I try to use this. Drag and drop the original FBX from DeepMotion. So I take everything, import animations, adjust the material, I click OK everything, just import it into 3D Exchange 7. So from the CC4 and iClone 8, fail. Now, for 3D Exchange 7, I use the old method, just scroll down, convert to non-standard. Then, I'm going to plot the skeletons as well. Map it properly. Make it become a non-standard avatar as well. Right now, I done the skeleton mapping. I tick active, then click convert. Click OK. Now, look at the perform editor here. One is motion library and perform editor. Just try to play it here. You see everything is okay. The mocap already here. So for this time, we just need to export. Now this is already a non-standard avatar. So I will create a new folder here from 3D Exchange 7. Then click export, click file, export as a non-standard character, export the geometry and also export the animation. So both you choose other, export the rlMotion, copy this folder destination location, Ctrl C to copy, and then click here, Ctrl A, delete, Ctrl V, click, Ctrl A, delete, Ctrl V. Now, we are going to export everything into this folder. Click OK. Now you can see it exported as iAvatar. It exported as iAvatar already, and also included another rlMotion. Now we may just try it in iClone 8. I click New. I will just select a random avatar. From here, just a random avatar. Then I try to apply the rlMotion, the iClone motion file, drag and drop into this avatar to see whether everything can play properly. Try to play. Now you can see the mocap data is totally transferred into iClone 8 already. Everything performed well. Now we already successfully performed the mocap and import into iClone 8 3D animation software as the rlMotion format. So in the conversion process, in the import process, we cannot use the character creator 4 because the errors occurs. If we directly use the iClone 8, the errors will occur as well. So we have to use the previous software, the old version, iClone 3D Exchange 7, to make this workflow smooth. Then finally you will get the rlMotion. You can use it in iClone 8 and Character Creator 4 as well. Right. That's all for today about my tutorials on how to just use your webcam capture MP4, the videos, import into DeepMotion to perform the AI motion capture, export as FBX, and finally import into iClone 8 and Character Creator 4 to make it become iClone motion file, the rlMotion. And actually, the import process, we need the 3D Exchange 7. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorials and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharing, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you.